They are guys that do lashes.
No, really?
Yes, they are. Yes.
What's up guys, welcome to another vlog. If you guys were not there yesterday, we just arrived in Nha Trang and we rent this bad boy for 150 per day, 150 Vietnamese dong per day.
We're now at the Po Nagar temple, which is a Cham temple built between the 7th and the 11th century. It's right at the north end of the beach in Nha Trang. A lot of people just stay at the beach when they come to Nha Trang, but there are actually a couple activities you can do.
Oh, look like we just arrived in time. There's a traditional show just way over there. The sound of that instrument makes me think of, you know, like Cambodian culture.
Well, it is the same. It's like, it's the Cham people, so they're the one that left all the temples in Cambodia and Thailand as well.
At this stage of the vlog, you probably understood that if you come to an Asian temple, you should, you know, wear a long sleeve. So here we are. We thought that it would be nice to mention it for, you know.
Shoulders and knees, guys.
This temple is for Po Naga, the mother of the earth.
They say that she's the one who taught them agriculture and weaving and stuff like that, so she's really respected.
We're working right now. This one is vanilla?
No, it's red bean.
Vanilla and red bean. And hers is watermelon.
Honeydew.
Honeydew? So, I thought about the temple. It's very nice to visit. Come here early.
Very hot.
Yeah, avoid coming here. Well, at any temple at like 12 o'clock, you know. Worst thing you can do. But come here early.
The eyelash place is called Man Eyelash. It's right over there. We didn't have an appointment, so they were full. We had to wait about 10 minutes, and so we waited and getting a cafe soda. That's yours.
I think this is yours because you like it. So, how's the Vietnamese coffee?
It's very bitter. I usually take my coffee black, but this is strong AF. Like
yeah, no sugar. You asked for no sugar. And
no sugar,
milk.
no milk, but oh my god, it's so strong.
Yeah, is it stronger than a espresso?
You try it, it's really strong. Oh my god.
Alright, let's try this Vietnamese black coffee. Oh my god. Oh wow, it's like a punch in the face. With a taste of coffee. Oh my god.
It's so strong.
Oh yeah. You know why it is so strong is because Vietnamese coffee, we do, you know, like have a filter, but it's like one drop at a time, and it can take like 15 minutes just to, you know, prepare 1 ounce of coffee. So that's why there's so much caffeine inside, and the taste is very strong. That's why we like to put some condensed milk. It's white and thick, and then it becomes like brownish like this, you see? Yeah, and that way it tastes a little bit better. Oh yeah, mine is like chocolate. Oh yeah.
I think she's gonna kill me. I'm gonna have a heart attack right here, right now.
It's very
Like my heart is beating so hard right now.
Oh come on, you're talking like an old lady.
I barely drink coffee normally. I don't drink coffee. Basically, I only drink tea and Diet Coke. But whoa, I just had like 3 sips, I think, and my heart is beating so hard. So if I'm dead, guys, you know why. Vietnamese coffee.
I don't think you're gonna be dead. I think you're gonna run everywhere on the beach, and your eyes gonna keep blinking when she does your eyelashes.
Oh no, I have to stop drinking this right now.
Wow, this is next level skills driving. Alright ladies, so the following segment is for you, and to all the men on this channel, just skip like 30 seconds ahead. Yeah, and I have to wait 1 hour, so it's not so bad for you guys. We're heading to the beach now.
Yeah, my
We're
eyelashes
back.
are done, and we just got back home.
Yeah.
In a swimsuit.
And I managed to not do any, stupid stuff while waiting, so we survived the day.
Yeah, and the beach is right across the street. So it's super convenient. We just have to cross over, and we don't even have to rent out beach chairs because this Airbnb has a section reserved on the beach with beach chairs just for us, and towels as well. So it's really convenient. Let's go.
Beach just right there, guys. So lucky this camera didn't get, stole while we were doing that walking shot.
But I feel, so 3 years and a half ago, we were staying on the part of the strip that's a little bit busier down there. And I feel I really like this section more. It's a lot more quiet, a lot less people, a little bit classier, if you can say.
Yep. Less trashy, we could say. Alright guys, so these are the chair from the hotel or the Airbnb if you would like to. And it's completely free as long as you're a guest there. Okay, I really don't know why I did throw my shirt, but I'm gonna go pick it up like a loser now. That was a scary face. So, how was your lashes?
They're really good. I think they're really pretty. They're so fluffy. I did a they gave me a full set of 3Ds. They're the volume. So it's 3 tiny lashes that they stick on one of your lashes, but they're not as wide as the classics. They're just like fluffy. So, and it's really well done. I think it's really pretty.
Let me look. Yes. I couldn't do it better.
And they were so cheap too, because if you go to one of the stores next to the beach or they do massage and stuff like that, it's 400 something thousand Vietnamese dong. And this full set, she cleaned all the lashes and everything. It's only 230, so it's a really good place to go to, and that's all they do. They only do lashes. So I highly recommend it for you guys, ladies. Well, ladies.
I don't think guys will do it.
There are guys that do lashes.
No, really?
Yes, they are.
Really?
Yes.
Comment down below if you have already, done some eyelashes. I feel like what the viewers really want to know is how is Nha Trang beach? Is it good? Is it clean? Is it nice?
Well, it's very blue so far.
Yep.
And the sand is very fine.
It's all white.
So far, it's not. There's not a lot of trash in the sand, so it's fairly clean.
Wow!
Not
look
a lot
at
of
the
waves.
bluish water. That's crazy.
And also, they're not big waves.
Yep. And guys, you guys probably notice there's not much people around. It's just because Vietnamese people, local here, try to avoid the sun at 12 o'clock.
But also because I said, like the cheaper part of the beach is over there. So last time we were there 3 years and a half ago, we were in that section and there were a lot of tourists, so it's a lot busier. Which is why I really like this part of the beach. It's really quiet, feels a lot more exclusive.
More and more animated as the sun set in Nha Trang, like anywhere else in Nha Trang. People just gather outside and it's a place for them to, you know, enjoy and chill out and relax after a long day of work.
Yeah, they come down here to take pictures, chill with their family. There are a lot of cute little couples. We saw a couple dogs as well. It's so much fun, you know? Nice end of day.
And talking about end of day, it's for us to end our vlog here also. We're gonna enjoy like all the rest of the Vietnamese here. We're gonna enjoy our day.
And some dried mango on the beach. As usual, if you like today's vlog, please click on the thumbs up button, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. We still have one more day left in Nha Trang tomorrow.
Yep.
So we'll see you guys on the beach again.